Welcome to JH. TickReview.com wants you to believe that earning rewards is as easy as handing over your personal info and completing a few recommended deals. Because surely, nothing says financial freedom like giving your data to a website that looks like it was built during a lunch break. The first red flag is that it was only registered in October 2025. It is so new it still has that freshly minted scam smell, making it about as established and trustworthy as a lemonade stand in a blizzard. Can we really trust a platform that hasn't even been around long enough to see a change in the weather? If you were expecting a smooth experience, you are in for a rude awakening. Clicking the Get Started button doesn't actually start the reward process. Instead, it redirects you to a completely unrelated page. It is like walking into a bank and being redirected to a laundromat. Then comes the truly frustrating part. The website puts you through a never-ending barrage of repetitive questions, but never actually delivers a reward. It turns out the only thing you are actually earning here is a massive headache and a wasted afternoon. The lack of transparency is where things get even sketchier. There is no contact information, no privacy policy, and zero social media links to be found. It is almost as if they do not want to be reached when things inevitably go wrong. Shocking, I know. Even on external sites like Trustpilot, there is absolutely nothing. No independent feedback, no user reviews, and no proof that this site is anything other than a digital ghost town. With misleading redirects, zero transparency, and a total lack of rewards, this platform is basically a parade of red flags. My advice: be very careful and think twice before engaging with it. Thanks for sticking with me till the end, and if you enjoy not being scammed, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.